Your brother, former Mayor Junjun Binay, said that yung Binay family, yung buong Binay family is very supportive dun sa decision po ninyo na tumakbo sa pagkasenador. But he said he's requesting you na sana ay suportahan niyo rin po si Senator Nancy sa kanyang pagkakandidato for mayor in Makati.
Well, I think that is his position. Unang-una, hindi naman nga kami nag-uusap. So, opinion po niya yun, and we don't base our decisions on what he says. Kumbaga kami po ay nagdesisyon na, matagal na, and yun yung sinasabi nila na yun daw po yung gusto ng ama namin ay wala naman yung sinasabi yung aking ama sa akin. So, I guess I have to hear it from the horse's mouth to believe kung ganun nga yung kanyang sinasabi.